Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 54 that I have used in my Tulip Splash Smiles and Giggles blanket. For this I have used Hobby Store's special DK yarn named Stone with color code 1203. This pattern requires multiples of 8 plus 2 stitches. Ideally we have multiples of 8 plus 2. So to begin with, we begin with a standing double crochet, twisted double crochet as the very first stitch, and then we place one front post double crochet in each of these three. Then skip one stitch and make one back post double crochet in each of the next four. One in each of them. Skip one and then one front post double crochet in each of the next four. That is the pattern repeat. Between the back post sets and front post sets, you are skipping one stitch and continuing with the pattern here. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. We've come to the end of the row here, so ideally we're left with 5 stitches. Skip one, front post double crochet in each of the next 3, and double crochet in the very last stitch here. Next row you make standing double crochet, standing twisted double crochet here, and you work one back post double crochet in the next 3, each of the next 3. And one front post double crochet. There is no question of skipping. Now we have skipped in the first one. If you want ease, you can make one chain. That's going to give you an ease, and then make one front post double crochet in each of the next 4. Chain 1. Let that be a little tight enough, that chain. We're not going to work into the chain. One back post double crochet in each of the next 4. That's a pattern repeat. So you're going to place back post, front post, back post, front post. You're going to alternate for every 4 stitches. Work until the end. I shall meet you at the end over here. I've come to the end of the row here. I'm going to place the last DC, the normal one. Now turn your work. So we have done here. Ideally it looks like front post, back post, 2 rows. Now we are going to alternate now. So to begin with, make the standing twisted double crochet. And now you see the front post here, 2 rows. So I'm going to do the back post now. I'm going to begin the row with back post. So it's ideally a 4-row repeat for this pattern of mine. So you can plan out any number of repeats according to the number of stitches you take or number of repeats you take. So in the next 3 I've placed my back post, and in the next chain 1, which is going to give the ease for the pattern, I'm going to do front post. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next 4 is going to be back post. Repeat till the end, repeat the sequence. I shall meet you at the end over here. Come to the end of the row here. I'm placing my last DC on the very last stitch. So for the blanket, I'm going to do just one more row and then finish off with my DC row. Turn the work. Standing twisted double crochet. Now here, this row you're going to alternate. We started with back post in the last row, here front post. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, back post. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. I've come to the end of the row here. I'm placing my last DC in the last stitch. I'm going to stop with this repeat for the blanket. So you get a definition of the basket weave here. And the next row, I'm going to work one DC on each of these DCs and one DC in chain 1 space. So that will fetch you the number of DCs you started with. Even in the blanket, that will fetch you that 302 DCs. So complete the DCs in the blanket pattern and start with the new one. I shall complete the DC row and post the picture at the end of this video. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.